Want to see and control your laptop camera right from your Android phone? Here's the quick and easy way to set it up in under a minute. Step 1. Make sure your laptop and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your laptop, open a browser and install a trusted remote desktop app like AnyDesk or Chrome Remote Desktop. Once installed, open the app on your laptop and allow any camera and screen permissions it asks for. Now on your Android phone, go to the Play Store, search for the same remote desktop app, and install it. Open the app on your phone, sign in or accept the terms, and you're ready to connect to your laptop. On your laptop, you'll see a device ID or computer name inside the remote app. Keep this screen open. On your phone, tap that same computer name or enter the device ID, then tap Connect. Your laptop may show a pop-up asking to accept the remote connection. Click Accept. Now your phone shows your laptop screen. Open your laptop's camera app using taps on your phone. You can start or stop video, switch cameras if available, and adjust settings right from your Android phone. That's it. You've just turned your Android phone into a remote control for your laptop camera, perfect for recordings, meetings, or monitoring.